Now we'll look at a change that occurred in Article 702, which is specific to optional standby systems. Let's quickly review the difference between emergency systems in Article 700, the legally required standby systems covered in 701, and those found in this article. Rather than recite the entire definitions for the first two, I'll try to give you a general overview. Article 700 is for emergency systems. These are systems intended to automatically supply, distribute, or control power and illumination essential for safety for human life in the event of a normal power failure. These are places like hospitals, sports arenas, and theaters. Legally required standby systems are those designed to automatically supply power to selected loads in the event of a normal power failure. This is different because it refers to such systems as HVAC or communication systems. Both these locations are classed by government agencies or others who have jurisdictions. Remember, there is a lot more to these definitions, so take some time to review them in your codebook after this video if you have any questions. Now that you have a better idea of the intention of those systems, let's look at the article where the changes we'll be covering is found. Article 702 is for optional standby systems. These are systems intended to supply power where life safety does not depend on them. There are a lot of different reasons why an optional standby system might be installed. They vary from keeping refrigeration equipment operational for commercial buildings to simply providing some of the comforts of home to a normal residence. Either way, they are not required. The change that takes place in subsection 702.7 is for signage for optional standby systems. The 2020 NEC has had multiple changes that involve the placement of signage at the service entrance equipment. This change follows suit and adds the requirement for signage to commercial and industrial locations and also provides clear requirements for 1- and 2-family dwellings.